So just to recap, in the previous lectures, we learned about what an agent is and what an LLM, that is large language model, is. And then we understood that agents use LLM as their brain or foundation. And for that, we understood the React framework. We also learned about tools. So tools convert an LLM into an agent, and the tools will help agents to interact with the external world. For example, we have used DuckDuckGo web search tool and LLM math tool, and we have seen the demo, right? And we also learned about React framework, the underlying framework that helps agents to plan and make decisions is called React framework. And we also learned about TAO, that is Thought Action Observation Loop, in detail. So with this strong background on agents and LLM, let's learn about building agentic applications or agentic workflows. So what are the different types of popular agentic frameworks we have? So first of all, why do we have agentic frameworks exist? We already learned that using agents adds value to our life. So the intent is we want to learn how to use these agentic frameworks or how to build the agentic workflows and see if the agents are providing the value to our life or to our project or whatever we are working on. So we have three types of agentic workflows. The first one is code based agentic workflows, low code based agentic workflows, and the last one is no code based agentic workflows. So as the name suggests, here it is for programmers, that is code based. Low code means it is a mix of both config and code based. No code means there is no coding involved in these frameworks. So if you consider under each category, under code based, we have LangChain, LangGraph, LlamaIndex, smolagents, and AutoGen. And under low code, we have CrewAI, LangFlow, N8N, Agno. And under no code, we have Google Vertex AI Agent, Microsoft Copilot Studio, OpenAI Custom GPTs, and Manus, right? So I have listed only some of the popular agentic frameworks, and in the upcoming lectures, we will deep dive into each one of these frameworks and build the agentic AI projects by using these frameworks. And we have to choose these frameworks depending on your business requirement or business use case. Okay, so my intent is to introduce you to all these popular agentic frameworks that are currently available in the market, and then we will deep dive into each one of them and build real-time multi-agentic applications in the coming lectures. All right, thank you.